See, our people need some serious repair. It's because white folks have been so powerful and dominant that the rich and powerful it's because white folks was able to take this country from the native and made it suitable to fit their needs. Now, white folks have all the luxury things that man can buy. So, the first thing that the white folks will establish is freedom. And take the country from the native Indians who had the pendant claim called the country of America. See, white folks didn't want to raise the country by themselves, so they go to the uncivilized part, till they went into Africa and tried our fathers as chattel slaves. So you see what's been going on. The elite, the powerful people, the governors, our mayors, our Congress, our senators, our politicians, our police, all have been rich folks.